Hi, it's Corrine. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to share with you the last sale of the year for Glassboard Studio, and it's a good one. It's 20% December 10th and 11th, 2025. I will have the discount code down in the description box below. And December 11th will be the last day that you would be able to order and still receive your items before Christmas time. So if you've been thinking about placing an order, if you place your order by December 11th, you can get the 20% off and you can still receive your items before Christmas. They have so many different glass mats to choose from. They have different colors, different sizes. They have the new scrapbook craft mat. They have a painter's mat. They have lots of strong magnets to choose from. My new favorite are the craft catchers and the mag ink trays. They also have the mag ink trays for mini ink cubes now, which I just got mine in, and it's fantastic. So you'll be seeing those in future videos. They also have the Hexaflex. I also ordered a second one of those because that's a different organizer that you can configure in any way that you need for your desk, and it holds all my supplies right in front of me as I'm working. So again, if you've been thinking about ordering a glass mat, if you've not worked on a magnetic mat, it is a game changer for your craft room. I have many videos on it because I'm obsessed with all their products. I'm obsessed with the glass mat itself. So easy to keep clean, and it's just beautiful. It's so great to work on. So again, they have many different colors, products, sizes to choose from. Head over to Glassboard Studios, and if you end up purchasing something, make sure to use the discount down in the description box below. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.